Hello, we are Team 6, and this is part 1 of our Cyber 201 final project presentation. In this presentation, we will explain the history of the World Wide Web, how the client-server model works, what HTTP and HTTPS are, and demonstrate how we built a basic website using HTML. The World Wide Web developed from early internet research networks created between 1960s and 1980s. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee created the World Wide Web while working at CERN to allow researchers to share information more easily. In 1991, the first website was launched, allowing people around the world to access link information. Web browsers then made accessing websites simple for everyday users, leading to the modern web we use today. The client-server model explains how most internet services operate today. A client, such as a web browser or mobile app, requests information from a server. The server processes the request and sends a response back to the client. This design centralizes data and makes updates, access control, and security easier to manage. When a user requests a web page, the client sends a request to the server. The server may verify permissions, run application logic, or retrieve data from databases. The server then sends a response back to the client, which displays the web page or requested information. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol and allows browsers and servers to communicate. HTTP communication is plain text, meaning data is not encrypted. HTTPS is the secure version of HTTP and uses encryption to protect information during transmission. This is especially important when entering sensitive information, such as passwords or credit card details during online shopping. Websites are created using HTML, which structures web page content. An HTML document contains a root element, head section, and body section. The body includes a visible content such as headings, paragraphs, tables, links, and drop-down menus that browsers display to users. Our web page layout includes several components. We created a sidebar menu for navigation, a main content section, and a table displaying team members. We also added a drop-down menu, external links, and a footer section to organize web page content clearly. Here, we show the HTML code used to build our web page. The code includes a sidebar menu created using tables, main content, headings, and paragraphs and hyperlinks that openly secure in a new browser tab. The footer section displays project information at the bottom of the page. When open in a browser, this code displays the web page structure we designed. And this is the references that we had used to gather the information. And that is the end of this PowerPoint. Thank you.